Hi, my name is Sofia. Today we are making a penguin plush. Welcome to my channel. We're gonna use felt embroidery thread, needle pins, scissor stuffing, animal eyes, pattern by Rosie at Pinterest.com or Rosemary Duke at Flickr.com. So we're gonna position the pattern pieces on the corresponding felt colors and cut them. That's a head gusset. Okay, here we go. I pinned the pattern pieces for easier identification. Cut them all up, and now we have the patterns. Ari gusset sides, the top of the wings on the sides. Wings, head, beak, and feet. We pin and sew the head gusset together. This will be in the middle and in the back of the head, and it will join with the sides of the head. We're gonna pin and sew the sides of the head also, and sew them. Okay, now it's time for us to join the back and top of the head in the middle, the head gusset, to the head sides. Pin and sew. Head is done. We're gonna add the body gusset to the head, and this piece goes from the neck down to the tail, underside. So it's right in the middle, belly included. Pin and sew. Okay, we have the wings, and we added the back of the neck, and now we pin and sew the wings to the sides, and make sure you have them with the white part facing downwards. Okay, now we're gonna sew together the back, and we're gonna join right there, and it's split to create a neck shape. Tricky, I got a little tangled in there, but anyways, pin it and sew together. Okay, done with the back and the sides of the body. Join with the rest, matching the seams in the middle. Pin and sew this piece. Now we're gonna sew around the backs and sides piece to the belly and tail, underside of the belly. Okay, We're gonna leave a gap to stuff and to attach the eyes. So pin around and sew. Make sure you match the needle pieces. You need to create a pointy shape. When this is done, we can install the eyes and stuff it. Install the eyes now, and I use the smaller size eyes I had. Time to stuff. It's full. Now it's time to close the gap, and we're pretty much done, but we still need to sew and stuff the feet and the beak. So we're gonna sew around, turn the right side and stuff, and then close and attach to the body. And you're done. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.